Hello everyone, this is Shubham from Gossip Funda, and today I'm here to elaborate or rather teach you the tutorial about BGMI tips and tricks, settings and all. So without any further ado, let's jump into the game. You can see the BGMI or Battlegrounds Mobile India has been opened, and this is from my personal phone. Now let's show you what the sensitivity settings and other settings. So we have to go to settings and basic controls. I would say I've turned on peak and open scope I've turned off because that creates a bit of problem. Scope mode that you can use on hold, lean mode you can use it on hold, and there are plenty other features you can try on too. There is aim features you can go. So basically these are the features you should turn on, and there is a universal mark which is showing in red dot that I've on it. Never use the jump climb feature that was there. I have turned off it, and these are the another basic features which are not used. Let's jump to the other one that is on controls. So as you can see, you have to keep these control panels. I've set it to my frame rate, that is 16:9 ratio, so I could use it easily. Now let's jump into sensitivity, the main. Now third person camera sensitive is the free look that we see on the I button. Have you noticed in the game? That is for that. While parachuting I set it to 195, and while third person camera I set it to 170, and first person 185. It helps in like movement on the camera, and it's very easy. Like if you turn to 0 the camera won't move, and if you turn to 300 it would be like no enough movement. And now the camera, it affects the sensitivity the camera when the screen is swiped without firing. That is when you move the in TPP, when you play, when you move the camera. That's the setting of all in 6x scope, in red dot, third scope, and whatsoever you can change it. I've kept it on 130, and that is the best frame rate settings you can keep it on to. And now let's look into the ADS sensitivity. That is the most important, like screen swipe while firing. Sometimes you see when you fire on like your opponent with any gun, like take it M416 or AKM, the screen swipes and it goes all the way to the top, and that's irritating. So here's the ADS sensitivity. I've kept it to 100. You can also keep it to like 120, depends upon your phone. I've kept it to 100 so that there is no problem. Now I will show you how, like in first person and no scope, like I will show you a game tutorial how it is, how it helped me. um and yes, always I don't use gyroscope, so I completely off it. Now I will like uploaded it to cloud. And now let's show you another thing. Now you can choose your button size on your preference. Like I've chosen the lean mode and the jump mode and other modes according to my preference, because the smaller the touch screen is, the bigger would be the movement problem. So yeah, that's it. Now let me play a game and show you how it is done without sensitivity and with sensitivity. Let's start with without sensitivity. As you can see, this is a TDM match I've entered, and that's my official like. And I've played a lot, and as you can see, the sensitivity ratings I had a lot of issues, and I have been killed so many times. And in the first game, even I got defeated. Let me show you the results itself. As you can see here, the sensitivity ratings totally sucks. The bomb was not thrown in the right place. Have been killed so many times in the game, even I feel ashamed. Even though I'm not a very pro player, I'm just a simple basic player, mobile player. And after playing like almost after 11 months or so, like PUBG was banned almost in September 2020. And after that, I'm playing, so it was a bit tough for me too. So as you can see, the stability isn't even well. The ADS sensitivity, it all sucks right now. As you can see, I've been defeated, and now let me show you with the active sensitivity, which I've changed. So here's the first match. Let me show you. As you can see, I waited for my opponent to come. As you can see, that is so easy to kill the other one. Even I got damaged, but you know the movement. This is so good. I've fast forwarded though because of the ease, and it consumes a lot of time, and it will also save you how to like watch it in an easy way. As you can see, I've killed almost like combos and trios and whatnot. See the consistency, and you know while firing even the screen wasn't shaking too. And now let's try with an AWM. As you can see, one of the most deadliest snipers. Stability is, as you can see, Yes, so smooth. Even I loved watching it 1,000 times. I'm thinking of streaming myself only. Anyways, see the movement and all, so cool. And now here the basic trick. In such a low health, I killed almost three people here. Watch the gameplay. That's so cool. Even such a low HP, I tried and managed to kill people. As you can see, the game was victory, and as you can see, the score to 40-50. And here is my friend who was MVP of the game. So that's what I'm saying, that these settings and ADS sensitivity helps a lot. So that were some of my personal like tips and tricks for BGMI India, and it's quite different from PUBG in terms of ADS sensitivity and camera settings as well. I played it after 11 months, so I can say with guarantee, yes, I'm not a pro player, but I have played it and I can simply differentiate in between. So do like, comment, share it to your friends, and subscribe to Gossip Funda. Don't forget to put down a queries in the comment section, and I've also had a link in the description area for other videos. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, goodbye, and yes, do subscribe to Gossip Funda.